Hey everybody, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most versatile and easy to use Excel tools out there. Today, I want to show you how to use our mileage software calculator to figure out distances between multiple locations, all within Excel. If you're new here, let me quickly introduce Excel Distance Calculators. We've been building Excel tools for over 16 years. In that time, more than 7,500 people have used our tools to save time, remove human error, and make their daily tasks a whole lot easier. We've got over 50 different tools available, and from the feedback we get, they've really helped people like you streamline your work. Every week, we get emails from customers telling us how much they love the tools. And honestly, those messages mean a lot to us, so keep them coming. We've also got over 120 5-star Google reviews. So if you're curious, check them out to see what others are saying about our tools. These reviews are from real clients. No fake reviews here. All right, let's dive into the mileage software calculator. This tool is perfect for calculating driving distances and times between multiple locations, all without leaving Excel. There's nothing to install. Just download the tool, open it up, and you're ready to go. Let me show you how it works. Download the tool by clicking on the link in the description. Also, since our tool uses Google Maps API to calculate distances, you'll need a Google Maps API key to make it work. But don't worry. It's free to create, and we've got another video that shows you how to set that up in just a few minutes. Once you've pasted your API key into the tool, all you have to do is paste or enter your list of addresses into the tool. In this case, I got a full list of addresses, zip codes, and latitudes and longitudes. The tool's super flexible. You could use full addresses, partial addresses, zip codes, cities, or even latitudes and longitudes, also known as geocodes, whatever you got. But keep in mind that the more detailed the addresses are, the more accurate the results will be. Hit the calculate button, and boom, it'll give you driving distances in miles and driving times in minutes. For European friends, you have the option to switch from miles to kilometers in the Settings tab. Let's do that for you in here. Then we'll click Calculate button and you have the distances in kilometers. It's really that simple. If you have any questions or if you need customizations on this tool, don't hesitate to reach out. We understand that some of you might need more than what this generic tool can do. You can reach us anytime through live chat on our website, ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, and yes, you'll be chatting with a real person, not some bot. You can also shoot us an email or give us a call directly at this number. And guess what? We actually answer the phone. No joke. Most people are surprised when their call gets picked up, but we're always here and happy to help with whatever you need. So don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our latest tools. Until next time.